Hey folks, so I am gonna go ahead and flip on over to my personal page because I just did a live for the neighborhood on my business page and I was going the wrong way. So now I finally have it horizontal and I can show y'all this amazing house that I have coming on the market. I just cracked myself up. Anyway, we should always have fun doing what we do for a living. That's what I think. And I love real estate and I think we should all have fun with it. So I have this beautiful bungalow that's coming up on the market in Garden Oaks this week. Should be up on the market on Friday. So it's one of those quintessential Garden Oaks gems that has been updated and they've done a really nice job with it. They've been able to keep some of the Garden Oaks charm within it, but also updating it to what current buyers want in this market. This home is at 336 West 34th. It's right down the street from Cottonwood and Shepherd Park Draft House and the upcoming Common Bond, which is going to be super fun. So that's down this way. There's also Graham Park, which is right next to Cottonwood, so lots of people like going down there and bringing their kids and hanging out at Cottonwood and then letting their kids play at the park. Once COVID is done, it's going to be super fun. If you're going this way and to your right down Yale, you will find Whole Foods 365, Orange Theory, and lots of fun development going that way. Garden Oaks and Oak Forest are just kind of on fire right now. 77018 is just, a phenomenal place to move, a phenomenal place to live. I've lived here since '06 and love it. This home is zoned to Garden Oaks Montessori. My son goes to Garden Oaks Montessori and we are very, very happy there. So a little bit more about the house. We are on a 12,000 foot lot right now. Very large lot for in the city. We are just outside of the loop, which is close to, you're close to everything here. 610, 45, 290. It's a short jaunt to downtown, out to Spring, if you're heading out there, to the Energy Corridor, and also the Med Center. If you need to be in a centrally located area, Garden Oaks really is the place to be. So, 1,200 square foot lot, 3 beds, 2 full baths, lots of room in the back. Let's go ahead and go in. Freshly painted. Period bricks. Solid wood front door. Welcome home. So in here, you can see they have done some really wonderful updates, but kept the Garden Oaks charm that we all love. We have period hardwoods in here, crown molding. Here we have a nice landing spot. Through those doors, you will find the washer and dryer, which is nice as it's centrally located by the kitchen and pretty quick spot to get to from all the bedrooms and whatnot. So recessed lighting, updated fixtures, nice updated doors back there. Or towards the back, my apologies. As we walk through here, you are greeted with the nicely appointed living room. Once again, period hardwoods, nice built-ins that pull in with the Garden Oaks charm, but also offer a great place for your electronics. Amazing light coming into this home. The natural light that is coming into this home is just phenomenal, and they've done a great job with the paint as well in terms of playing off of that natural light. The kitchen has been updated. Just take a look at the floating shelves, nicely painted, crisp white cabinets, brass hardware. Here we have this gorgeous slab of quartzite. I mean, you have to see it in person. It's just so beautiful. Nice backsplash, updated backsplash with, I believe it's from the tile bar. Farmhouse sink. Tons of counter space. Stainless steel appliances. Once again, loads of natural light. I like the door going to the exterior. So you're standing here, you're cooking, you're getting ready, for the day. You have the gate here. So, your family, fur babies, whomever can be outside playing while you can see them back there. And once again, behind the gate. Solid wood fence. Just beautiful kitchen. Open concept floor plan. As we walk through here, we'll grab another angle of the kitchen. And when it's listed, there will also be a 3D Matterport tour where you can see, you can just literally step into the home and walk it. See the floor plan, you can measure the rooms. I just love that new technology that we have. These sellers have done a really, really wonderful job of decorating this place. Right? That kitchen. Yes, that kitchen. So in here, I'll open up these doors and you can see that the washer and dryer are housed in a centrally located area. That's a really good feature for a home of this size in Garden Oaks. Quite often they are in the garage or on the exterior. So that's an added bonus. Once again, we are in Garden Oaks, section 1 of Garden Oaks, on 34th Street. Three beds, 2 full baths, 1,200 square foot lot. So we'll walk in here. This is the room that the sellers are currently using as the master. Notice there's plenty of room for a large king size bed, a desk and dressers. Plenty of room for ample furniture in this room, which is nice for a bungalow. Any of the bungalows in the Heights and Garden Oaks, sometimes you get teeny tiny rooms. Large room with 2 large closets. So right here is closet 1. Right here behind the door is closet 2, behind the shades there. Period hardwoods, designer color scheme. I love this color on the wall that they have in the master. And once again, this is a dark color on the wall here, but you're still getting a lot of light in here. We'll get to this wonderful bathroom in just a moment. But right now I want to take you to the other secondary bedroom number 2 on this side. I mean, just take a look at this natural light. Facebook Live does not allow me to do a wide angle, but we will have a wide angle video on the listing. So you'll be able to get a little bit more in the frame. So right here you have 2 closets, and I love how they kept some of the crystal doorknobs there. And plenty of room for a crib, a nice sized rug, chair, rocking chair, and twin bed. And notice the super cute shiplap walls and crown molding. They've done a great job with all of the shades. It just really is a wonderful house. I really can't wait to really market this one. We are going to have an open house this Sunday from 2 to 4. We will have Jackson's Brew coffee truck here. So come socially distance. You need to be wearing your masks. Come say hi and come and tour it and enjoy a cup of coffee on Ledwell Realty. Take a look here. Once again, we're in Garden Oaks. This is Jenny Ledwell with Ledwell Realty. And now we come this direction. On this side, Angela, the address is 433 West 24th. Okay. This side is it's in section 1, down the street from Cottonwood, and in the middle of Shepherd and Yale. So either way, you can head to all of the shops on Yale or all of the shops on 34th. So here's the 3rd secondary bedroom. You can take a look here. There are 3 closets in this room, a wall full of closets. These doors are heading out to the exterior. And all of this will be online once we get the listing up on Thursday. So in here you can see you've got the tub shower combo with the subway tile going all the way up to the ceiling. That's a nice feature. A lot of builders just stop, so I really like that feature. And you come through here. Brass fixtures, herringbone floors. Bamboo shades. I'm just gonna get in the tub here for a minute. And these shelves over on this side are super, super deep. You can put a lot of baskets on here for storage. If it were me and I were moving into this house, this room would be the master because it has the ensuite bathroom. Okay, so now we're gonna head outside. Through these wood double doors, once again, take a look at all the natural light that we see here. Step out to what I like to call the veranda. Others might call it the porch. But notice no rain will come through here. So this is waterproof right here. You can be out here while it's raining, thunderstorming. I think it would be fun to be out here during a thunderstorm with this tin roof. I don't know, drinking wine, coffee, whatever is your fix. So we'll step back here. So this is a really nice size veranda. All right, behind this cabinet right here is their TV that conveys. Take a look through here. Large table with chairs. There's lots of room here. So you could fit a really big dining set and or have it, you know, done the way they have it. So from here, just take a look at this yard. I mean, y'all, we are like 4 blocks from 610. You're in the heart of the city in a super cute updated home. and garden oaks, which I'm very partial to. I live here. I love it. My kids go to school here. Lived here for a long time. Let's take a look. Solid wood fence. And I love how they did the slats horizontally. That's a nice extra feature that, you know, just brings it current. Okay, don't want to just give you a video of the fence, so let me just swing back here. The storage building conveys. And over here you can see they have this little conversation area with the fire pit. You have this space right here. Like I said, these two doors right here lead into the ensuite bedroom. And so if it were me, that would be my master bedroom. And then the kitchen, that's the kitchen door right there. Like, you know, you can see the kids' bicycles there. So they like to ride their bicycles while in the kitchen because you can see them and they're behind a gate. If anyone has any questions, ask. I'm watching. Once again, we're in Garden Oaks. Quintessential bungalow in the heart of the city. Stone's throw from 610, 290, 45, and I-10. If you have a double income family, it's a centrally located place for you to live in the city and yet go different directions. One person, you know, downtown working and the other in the energy corridor. One person in Spring and the other in the medical center. We are a nice centrally located neighborhood. Take a look at this nice little, this seating area with a fire pit. That looks like fun. These folks like to entertain and enjoy their time in their backyard. So that's it for now. If you guys have any questions, feel free to text or email. Hit me up on Facebook, DM me on Insta, Google me, you'll find me. Or just send me a text or a phone call, 281-635-7181. Once again, Jenny Ledwell with Ledwell Realty. Keep watching for it.